Hey everybody, I made another widget. A friend of mine, Osirium, had this idea. He wanted to have a leaderboard of all the people who had typed out in chat and have them listed to try to encourage viewers to chat a bit more. I thought this was not a great idea for my stream, but I did think it was a good idea for his stream, and he seems to think so too. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up the chat leaderboard widget. If you watched any of these videos before, you know that I always like to make a new overlay. This part is optional. You can add it to one of your existing overlays, but we're gonna go ahead and make a new one because we're gonna assume we're starting from scratch, and we're gonna click on that big old plus button, and then we will go to static/custom, custom widget. We'll now go to the open editor. Now we can start copying over files. Today, you will be going to github.com/swolecat/SEWidgets, and we will be going into the chat leaderboard folder. So I'm gonna start by copying over all the files. And done. If you did it right, you'll see all these fields and you'll see chat leaderboard on the top. You can change the title. You can set the number of ignored users. You can choose if you want to ignore broadcasters or not. You can also set if you want to ignore emotes. Emotes, if you don't set this thing, the text of the emote will count towards a chat. You can choose the number of places, and you can also set the minimum number of characters to count as a chat. So in this case, if somebody types in less than 20 characters and obviously none of that can be emotes, then it'll count. But if I just say something like, let me uncheck this, I just type in chat hi, you see that I won't count because I'm under the 20 characters. Now, if I copy pasta some spam from the bot, which is over 20 characters, you'll see that I show up, but only because the ignore broadcaster is done. You can also select a font size, font color, and you can choose which way it's aligned. And that's pretty much it. If you guys found this widget interesting or have any other ideas for improvements, please let me know in my Twitch stream or my Discord. I will see you guys later. Bye.